EVWES Conversion Kit. Isn't it fascinating to witness the electric revolution in the automotive industry? Last year, over 10 million electric cars were sold worldwide, comprising 14% of all car sales. And the excitement doesn't stop there. Predictions suggest that by 2025, every fourth car sold will be electric. Now, you might be wondering, what if you're attached to your current ride, say a sleek Porsche 911? Well, fear not. An American company has an ingenious solution, conversion kits that turn internal combustion engine cars into electric ones. Picture this. For just $12,000, you can transform your Porsche 911 with a 130 horsepower engine, a charging system, a programmable controller, and more. The best part? It's like building a car in a video game, customizable with components from Tesla, including motors and drives. Now, you might be thinking, $246 for a folding car ladder? Isn't that a bit steep? Well, hold on, because this ladder is no ordinary one. According to the manufacturer, you're getting a load capacity of 275 pounds, a generous 7.5 feet in length, and wide legs that extend 19.7 inches for all your adjusting needs. Need it compact? No problem, it folds down to a mere 3.6 feet. Plus, it's perfect for soft ground and fits seamlessly with the RHINO-RACK Pioneer trunk system. And here's the kicker, it weighs just over 12 pounds, so you won't need a helping hand to manage it. Crafted from sturdy aluminum, the ladder's design even ensures there's no unwanted contact with your precious car. So maybe $246 is a small price to pay for the convenience and versatility this folding car ladder brings to the table. Sliding RAGTOPS. Can you believe it? In 2019, the US hit a jaw-dropping record with over 278 million cars cruising on the roads. With such a massive fleet, car manufacturers, buyers, and tuning shops are in a constant whirlwind of activity. Let's talk about RAGTOPS, those spacious vehicle roofs that some cheekily call convertibles for the not-so-rich. Take the Cadillac Fleetwood Low Rider, showcased in the video, rocking a ragtop measuring 112 by 140 centimeters. But guess what? There are even larger options out there, stretching to 102 by 305 centimeters. Now, customization like this does come with a price tag, easily soaring past $700 for a complete set, and that's not even counting installation. But hey, despite the cost, rolling in a car with a ragtop is a surefire way to turn heads on the road, offering countless opportunities to capture some seriously cool videos. Ever wished washing the undercarriage of your car could be fast, efficient, and top-notch? Well, hold on to your seats because there's a solution tailor-made for just that. This revolutionary device, designed for speedy and high-quality undercarriage washing, isn't just for personal use, it's commercial-grade too. Picture this, a ramp that's a mere 5 inches high, thanks to patented technology, making assembly a breeze in just a few minutes with minimal tools. Crafted from sturdy stainless steel, it can handle high-pressure washing systems up to 20 gallons per minute, conquering both hot and cold water effortlessly. The best part? You can throw in chemicals with a pH level of up to 12, that's on par with bleach. Compatible with other equipment from the same manufacturer, this ramp lets you create a compact all-in-one auto-cleaning system. Now, here's the deal breaker, it comes with a price tag of $17,000. Guess what Canada unveiled at the game-changing CES 2023 exhibition? Brace yourselves for this. It's a lineup of mind-boggling aerodynamic devices crafted from shape-shifting thermoplastic. Yep, you heard it right. They're calling it morphing surfaces, and it's not just a showstopper. It holds the key to revolutionizing electric cars. Picture this. The bumper alone can slash drag by a whopping 10%, translating into tens of additional kilometers on the same charge. Now, we all know the struggle with electric cars is their limited range, but with innovations like improved traction inverters and these morphing surfaces, we're talking about a game-changer. Can you imagine having active aerodynamics on any vehicle? It's not just impressive, it's downright futuristic. Did you know that only 10% of the global population breathes air? meeting acceptable standards, as reported by the UN? The repercussions of air pollution-related problems cost an astounding $1 trillion each year. But here's a game changer. An innovative air cleaning system has been developed to tackle this critical issue. Weighing a mere 3 kilograms, this powerhouse operates quietly, cleaning up to 66 cubic meters of air per hour at a noise level equivalent to a hushed conversation, not surpassing 44 decibels. It effectively filters out PM 2.5 particles, ridding the air of soot, asphalt, tires, and other pollutants. What's more, you can fine-tune the system through your smartphone, making it a convenient solution for clean air. All these incredible features come with a price tag of about $900. Say goodbye to traditional roof racks and embrace the future with KNOTIX. Imagine installing special magnetic locks in just 20 seconds, ensuring nothing falls off even when you're accelerating up to 125 miles per hour. This game-changing product is compatible with most four-door cars, excluding Tesla vehicles, boasting a carrying capacity of 330 pounds, perfect for transporting 3 kayaks, for instance. Enhanced with smart straps for easy loading and unloading, KNOTIX folds down to a compact 23 inches when not in use, effortlessly fitting into your trunk. The first batch is set to reach customers in January 2023, with prices starting at just $325. Let's talk about the incredible strides modern technologies making to redefine possibilities for people with disabilities. Today, being in a wheelchair doesn't mean giving up on opportunities, especially when it comes to driving. While cars with hand controls have been around, getting into them comfortably has remained a challenge. That's where Chevrolet's GMC YUKON steps in, a series of robust off-road vehicles specially modified for people with disabilities by the ATM company. Picture this. Special lifts that effortlessly bring the wheelchair into the cabin within seconds, eliminating any physical strain. The GMC YUKON models showcase innovation at its finest with unique designs, including doors that go up thanks to a system of knuckle joints, making entry parallel to the floor. And for the GMC YUKON XL, they've taken it a step further, doors that gracefully move aside along with a lifting platform. It's not just driving. It's a testament to inclusivity and accessibility, breaking down barriers and opening up a world of possibilities for everyone. VELOROOF. Introducing the guardian angel for your bike, is claimed by the designers of this ingenious device. Picture this. Whether your two-wheeled treasure is perched on a roof rack or snugly mounted on the back, the risk of accidental damage skyrockets. It doesn't discriminate between an expensive or budget-friendly bike because, let's face it, damaging not just the bike but the car as well comes with a hefty repair bill. So why not invest $53 for your own peace of mind? For this reasonable price, you receive a sensor that effortlessly attaches to your bike or roof rack, coupled with an alarm system, neatly placed in the passenger compartment. Operating via Bluetooth, the sensor constantly scans a 66-foot radius in front, capturing a 45-degree area. If any obstacle is detected, voila, it triggers a light and sound signal. For all you track system enthusiasts out there, imagine transforming your ride into something straight out of the French movie Taxi 3. Introducing the RUBITRACKS system, a game-changer that's not only available pre-assembled but also as a do-it-yourself kit. Renowned as the easiest system on the market, it demands minimal modifications for most cars, making it a dream for any DIYer. The installation time is a breeze, taking about a day for the initial setup and just an hour for subsequent adjustments. The tracks, available in lengths of 122 or 142 centimeters with a width of 38 centimeters, promise to elevate your driving experience. Now, let's talk numbers. The journey to track bliss starts at $12,000, inclusive of a special mounting kit. Hey, pickup truck owners, here's a nifty idea for you. Picture this toolbox with a game-changing swing system, the epitome of convenience. No more struggling to hold or reach for it. The swing system ensures a hassle-free retrieval from your truck's trunk. With a hefty capacity of 77 pounds, equivalent to 8 sets of combination wrenches, this toolbox is a true powerhouse. The best part? You can easily install it yourself, and if the instructions leave you scratching your head, worry not. There are numerous tutorial videos featuring different cars to guide you. Options for installation on both the left and right sides of your vehicle are up for grabs, with each box priced at $350. Crafted in the US, this toolbox is so popular that Chinese copies are flooding the market, but an official dealer warns, don't be fooled, showcasing the original just in case. Ever wondered what happens when you mix German practicality with Japanese technology? Enter the BYTON K-BYTE, an electric sedan born from the minds of former Nissan and BMW employees. Unfortunately, the venture faced setbacks, leading to bankruptcy in 2021 and regrettably, no actual car production. Nevertheless, the BYTON K-BYTE lives on in the form of concepts and prototypes, showcasing its array of fascinating features. Picture this, at least 4 LIDARs, 2 emerging front defenders, and hardware designed for the highest level 5 autonomy. The all-wheel drive version promised a robust 470 horsepower engine, boasting an impressive range of about 490 kilometers on a single charge and reaching a maximum speed of 209 kilometers per hour. Let's talk about a game changer in the world of accessories. Let's face it, pickup trucks are an absolute sales hit, with a whopping 2.7 million units sold in the US alone in 2016, constituting 15.3% of all car sales in the country. No surprises there. The capacity, off-road performance, and payload of these trucks make them true workhorses. Now, let me introduce you to a must-have accessory, the roll-up truck bed cover, proudly made in the US featuring a patented locking system securing both sides. This cover rolls up and down with one hand, made from durable aluminum and vinyl. Weatherproof and capable of handling up to 400 pounds of load. Manufacturers claim it's the #1 selling product in the States, and the price varies depending on your pickup model, starting at about $1,000. ROBOSENSE LIDAR. Let's dive into the fascinating world of LIDAR technology, and who better to explore with than ROBOSENSE, the world's leading provider of LIDAR systems? Their impressive partnership with the Chinese giant XPeng speaks volumes, and guess what? These LIDARs are not just making waves in the tech world, but are widely used in robots and UVs. The Ruby Plus models, in particular, are stealing the spotlight with an outstanding range of up to 240 meters and an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 2 centimeters. What's even more mind-blowing is that compared to the last generation, these LIDARs have slashed their weight and volume by a whopping 50%, and power consumption is down by 33%. And here's the cherry on top. These LIDARs are ice-safe and provide a 360-degree view of the surrounding world. Picture this. You've transformed your truck into the ultimate haven with a slick cover, a cozy hammock, and all the essential accessories. But let's face it, after all that exploration, you're bound to work up an appetite and need some well-deserved rest. Enter the game changer, the mobile camping kit. This gem is the epitome of convenience, featuring a fully fledged bed, clever storage compartments, and a compact camping kitchen, all neatly packed and ready for your next adventure. We're talking an approximate average weight of 377 pounds, with lengths optimized for 5.6, 6.6, and 8-foot truck beds. The bed is even removable, and the kitchen unit has enough room for a stove, complete with a built-in cutting board. But here's the kicker, you're in control. Want a bed for 2? They've got options. And if that still doesn't quite match your vision, the manufacturer offers a special option on their website for you to easily craft your own camping kit. Prices kick off at a reasonable $2,000, making it the perfect companion for your truck adventures. Get ready to be wowed as we wrap up on the ultimate camp kitchen, straight from the land down under. This Australian gem packs in even more features, boasting a stainless steel countertop, a 3-burner gas stove, a 1.8-gallon sink, drawers and shelves for all your tableware and small essentials. Whether you're whipping up a feast or just making a quick snack, this kitchen's got you covered. The top can handle a whopping 22 pounds when open, and 55 pounds when closed, thanks to the sturdy 304 stainless steel used, a popular choice for its excellent resistance to heat and corrosion. The stove adds a touch of elegance with a tempered glass lid, and it's strategically recessed in the base for top-notch wind protection. The sink isn't just for washing up. It can handle 22 pounds of load and doubles as storage for your cookware.